Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or Spotify or your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. And update, if you haven't it. Next step is to update software version. To do this, you need to open Xiaomi Earbuds application. And of course, you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to just scroll down, and right here we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software. So you tap at this line and firstly you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check your version, for updates, and you cannot update it without login. So tap on it. If you see the same information at the bottom, it means that you have the last software version. If you haven't, you can enter inside. So you tap on it and you will see a new window and you just install. At this channel we have video how to update it, so you can check it. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to restart your phone. I use it with a phone, I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side flashed white 3 times. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking white because it's entered to prank mode. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding connection button. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you need to or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connection button, we just tap at these earbuds at the device list. And we just reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!